Mela is a secret event, but history has shown that it can also turn deadly. Over the decades, stampedes have taken hundreds of lives at this massive religious gathering. As another tragedy strikes in 2025, let's look back at the deadly stampedes that have haunted the Kumbh Mela. 1954, the worst stampede in the Kumbh history. The first Kumbh Mela after independence turned into a national tragedy. On 3rd February 1954, at the Kumbh in Allahabad, now Prayagraj, a massive stampede occurred as thousands rushed to take a holy dip on Mauni Amavasya. The panic left nearly 800 people dead, either trampled or drowned. It remains the deadliest Kumbh disaster to date. Next, during the 1986 Kumbh Mela in Haridwar, a political visit triggered panic. The Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Veer Bahadur Singh, along with several other leaders, arrived at the event. Security forces blocked public access to the river banks, frustrating the crowd. As tensions rose, chaos erupted and a deadly stampede followed. At least 200 people lost their lives. In 2003, the Kumbh Mela in Nasik, Maharashtra, turned tragic when thousands of devotees gathered at the Godavari River for a holy dip. The massive crowd became unmanageable, leading to a panic-driven rush. At least 39 people were killed and over 100 were injured in the stampede. In 2013, a stampede didn't occur at the riverbanks but at Allahabad railway station. A footbridge collapsed, triggering widespread panic among pilgrims trying to leave the city after their holy dip. The chaos resulted in 42 deaths and left 45 others injured. The latest tragedy struck on January 29, 2025 during the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj. Around 10 people are feared dead and dozens injured as crowds surged at the Sangam and nearby ghats for the Mauni Amavasya bath. The incident happened around 2 a.m. when a barrier collapsed, leading to panic and a crushing rush of people. So why do Kumbh stampedes keep happening? Despite improved security measures, stampedes continue to occur at the Kumbh Mela. The event sees millions of devotees gathering in a single place, often leading to overcrowding, poor crowd control, and infrastructure failures. While authorities work to ensure safety, history has shown that managing one of the world's largest religious gatherings remains a massive challenge. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.